Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So I'm starting this vlog all the way off in the middle of the store because this is how far I got in. Well, y'all don't know how deep I am in, but this is how I got in, and I didn't see too much going on. So we're starting off at the PJs. This is 13. Those are by Joy Spun. Look at these. 20. The champagne bottles, the Christmas tree, the bows, good night, the green one. There's the polka dot one. The polka dot one says cheers. That one says this one says twinkle twinkle. We saw it a few times. These are 20. And I'm seeing some pants right here. These are 10. These are 10. There's Nightmare Before Christmas, Garfield, Barbie, Stitch, Garfield, Elf. And then look, it's another one. I'm sorry about all the twisting and turning. I'm just going straight in what I see. Oh, is this a gown too? Yep, a gown version of it. And these are 20. And these are 13. So it's the tops. These are no boundaries. Okay, so no, the tops are 9 and the bottoms are 10. So it's the cream color. Comes in the gray and the pink. Same things, just in the different colors. Oh, it also comes in the black, but I don't see the black bottoms. I'm sure they have shorts. And the pants, 13. In the cream color. And the black, and the pants, and the pink. Are these wicked? Yep. 18. It's those two dresses. I think we saw these. Yep. We saw this in the last Walmart. I just punched myself with the rack. I have a bad habit of beating myself up. Not paying attention to where I'm going. I ain't gonna have no shoulders, legs, hips. Alright, let's see. Not much going on over here. We saw these shirts and stuff already, and the babies and the pants, leggings. Outdoor fun adventures, never stop exploring. Okay. These are 13. The robes is hearts and snowflakes. We got this robe. It's popcorn. And this. That's 15. And there's Stitch. Santa Claus is coming to town. There's a Stitch one. The PJs, 13. This is a new little one, the Garfield one. Hello Kitty, Princess, and these are 8. The fleece pants, bottoms. Grinch PJs, these are 15. There's Grinch. There is Bluey, Stitch, and Hello Kitty. These dresses are 20. We saw the black one, but not this red one. That green one. And that blue one. Let's see. It's this cream one right here. And we did see this one with the rose at the bottom. These are Kinsey Girl. These sweaters for the boys are 12. Alright, so Walmart has been coming through with the earrings. These are called Holiday Time. I don't know if y'all saw the one right before this one, the Walmart trip, but it was some cute earrings by Packed Party. Now these are Holiday Time. I believe these are all, they gotta be like either all $5 or $6, but anyway. So it's this one, it's these with the gift wrap, the sweaters. Those the trees, the Christmas lights, the wreaths, snowflakes. Look at those ornaments. These are pretty. Dear Santa, the bows, the trees, the presents. Santa. Feliz Navidad, some nutcrackers, the trucks. Well, how both of them upside down though? The reindeer, some of the brooches, the pins. These are just like the little holiday, the little Halloween end cap they had. Those have the reindeer, mistletoe. What are these? Presents. Presents, Christmas tree, bows. Have those in green. Reindeer. We saw something like that in Burlington, and then these right here. These light up. Santa's Workshop. Oh wow, even more. Look at those. Both of these are turned around. The reindeer, the globes, those are pretty. Ho ho ho. Get the mitts. Three packs. Oh, look at these. These are so cute. Some bracelets. A present. This one says Merry Christmas with the reindeer. The lanyards. Some of the headbands. It's the bow. This one has gingerbread on it. Some of the hair clips. And hair pins. And let's see, can I get right here? They have a little something right here. Sorry y'all, they got like a little cart right here. All right. And one last side. That's just the bows and stuff. These earrings light up. Well, these necklaces light up. And these earrings light up. It's another little end cap over here. Cheese knives. These are by Cook with Color. It looks like they're saying that they're all $7.97. There's a dog. There's a nutcracker. What does it come with? 4-piece mini utensil set. Those are so pretty. And then there's the cookie cutters, 20-piece. Cook with Color 3D Christmas cutter set. It's making some shot glass molds. 20-piece sandwich cutter, sealer stick set. Oh, look at the gingerbread theme. The hat. Stoves, some cutting boards, some rolling pins. The knives, pancake molds, cutting boards, this one, the flask with the shot glasses, light it up. Oh, wait a second, so it is have yourself, oh, it's like 6 different ones in here. Let's see. Bottoms up. Have a holly jolly Christmas. 'Tis the season. Bottoms up, and then these shakers, cocktail shakers. Ho ho ho. Look at the candy canes. Give joy. Let's move these around a little bit. Ho ho ho. Alright, so oh, it was 4 of those. There was a jar in here. All of these jars are gone. 18 pieces. We didn't catch the jar. Here's the space where it was, but it's gone. Maybe y'all can catch it at y'all Walmart. Look at these. These are $3.97. Let it glow. Look at these. Mary. It's a lot of different ones. So some of them have, so it's either 2 with a cookie cutter, or it is 3 spatulas. Alright. Some spoon rests. It's the Christmas tree, gingerbread snowman, her and the house. 8-piece measuring spoon and cup sets. So it's the tree. It's the pink one, the gingerbread. Some snowflakes. Some bag clips. Ugly sweater. Rolling pins. Oh, look at these little molds. Ice molds. No, I don't. Sorry. ice flake. So all these different molds in there. And then all of these different cooking. It's the spatula, the rolling pin, and the cookie cutters. And then these right here. All right. Definitely a little bit of something for everybody. It's a tree. And look at those oven mitts. All right, and what is this? Okay. These are $6.67. Warm apple pie, apple fritters, pumpkin spice, vanilla, and alpine forest. Is it the same ones over here? Apple pumpkin, hazelnut cream, cinnamon sugar pretzel, pumpkin spice, and these are more summer. Well, darn. They clean this thing out. Remember I told y'all in a few Walmarts ago they had the McCormick finishing sugars? I guess I'll put a picture because they're definitely all just gone. Gone. And I was just here like 2 days ago. I didn't even see this thing. I have the brown gravy, the turkey gravy. Yep. They put it there just for the finishing sugars. But they are definitely gone. I see pumpkin pie, nutmeg. Yep, cinnamon sugar. They're gone. Not even one in the back. Somebody else just walked up. Yep, they're all gone. And look at the wet brushes. Christmas time, frosty. That's crazy. Since I've been standing here, like 3 people came and it's like gone. They should like did a limit for people. Still have this limited edition toothpaste though by His Smile, the candy cane. I'm surprised they have any of these left because they've been going through it. So it's a Dove holiday treats. So it's spice chai latte. Here's the sugar cookie sprinkle. I ended up getting these from Dollar General. This smells so good. We like this one, me and Riley, the sugar cookie sprinkle and the peppermint bark. Do I want to try the spice chai latte? Now they didn't have the body scrub, but they had the deodorant and the body wash. So here they have $5 at Walmart. I didn't even see this one. All 3. All right. And of course it comes in the body wash. These are $6.97. I was about to say they're cheaper here, but they're not. So just for the packaging, the peppermint bark and the sugar cookie sprinkle. These are $1.98. LA Colors is sparkle season. Even though they look like regular gel colors. Let me check one more aisle before we get out of here for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. All right, and that's a wrap in this Walmart for now. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and browsing around with me. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this as much as I did. Do me a favor and share this video with a few shoppers that might not have time to shop and want to browse around and shop with me. And I will see y'all in the next one. Celebrity Pink, those are $28. And then look at these sweaters right over here. These are $17.